Hello, friends. This is Andre Fuma here. I'm 13 years old and I am from Zambia. So I have a dream and I want to share it to everyone who's listening. When I was little, me and my brother Samia have been making up some cartoons which inspired me to make them real life. When I grew older, my mother taught me everything about God and the Bible. Therefore, I decided to spread Christianity in my cartoon universe. I am still learning to draw my characters perfectly, but I must pray. I am calling it Vanilland with Marfix Kids. I have been working on a lot of shows and movies for my cartoon universe, so it would take a very long time to finish. Before I end this Q&A, I would give you free hints about the cartoon universe. Hint one is that MARP stands for maybe Paralympic for All Picnicking, and I'll tell you what these words mean. And hint two, well, the lead heroes are a trio of inhuman kids. Two of them are from a popular video game and one of them is from me. I must tell the developers what my real plan is as I explain my future plans to them. And finally, I'm going to let people of all ages watch it once it is aired. Which means no inappropriate language, no scary scenes, just a positive universe for kids. Adults, whatever their ages. Well, I'll be back soon. See you all again later. And stay blessed.